Alright guys, so in this video, I am going to show you how to change Uber Eats from a bicycle to scooter for your mode of transport. This question comes up a lot actually, where people are having trouble changing their mode of transportation. What many people actually do is they just use the other mode of transportation, but they do not update it on the app. They just use it and start doing orders and just getting paid normally through the other mode of transport. What other people do is they open up a new account with a new email ID, and this is ideal if you don't have many reviews and stuff. But if you have a lot of reviews and stuff like that, and a well-established account, an aged account, then it's better to just change your mode of transport. You don't need to create a new account. It is counterintuitive. So what you do, guys, is you actually need to call support. You need to contact support, and they can actually help you to do that. So they're going to let you know what documents to upload, and they will actually do this. They will deactivate your account for a few days to a few weeks. They're going to be doing background checks, and then they're going to be activating your vehicle. So they're going to be activating your scooter. So you need to upload documents for your vehicle. So for example, for us, it's going to be a scooter. You need to upload the documents for the scooter, and they're going to be doing another background check. And then you will be accepted, guys. So literally that is in simple.